Good morning, angels. If you are in California, this is 2:02 a.m. in Mountain Standard Time. It's 3:02 and Central 4:02, which is the witching hour, and Eastern United States 5:02 a.m. Or maybe you're doing this first thing in the morning, just moving time, aligning to that time of the opening of the magic box of Uluru. So we are going to be really connecting to our hearts, earth, bridging to heaven, the central sun, and connecting with that, the elders at Uluru and the magic box, really bring in this energy to awaken the planet and activate this amplification of energy, of love and divine awareness. So first of all, I'm going to just light a Palo Santo to clear our energy. And you can just sit up in your bed and relax and release. Just lighting a Palo Santo for all of us with my intentions. Clearing all of our fields so that we're clean and clear. So the message from the elders were to be truly focused on a singular, specific thought, feeling, and intention. And the purpose of this ceremony is for the rainbow serpent to become the rainbow bridge, to rise up, to connect with the light of the sun and go straight into the heart of the Mother Earth, cleansing, energizing, and reinvigorating Mother Earth and ushering in a new era for Gaia and her children. To be clear, the focus is on Mother Earth, not on ourselves. We need to focus on reinvigorating her and raising her consciousness. If the ceremony is supported enough by enough pure love, energy, and support of shared specific intention, it will be successful. The byproduct of a successful ceremony will be the new era of consciousness for Mother Earth and her children, us. We need to ensure our focus and love is on her, Mother Earth, and on this specific intention. With a cleansed body, heart, and mind, the sole intention is a pure love for her in our heart as we ask to energize the heart of Mother Earth with our love and energy. With this pure intention, you can contribute to the energy of the ceremony from wherever you are in such a positive way. You need not be in Uluru. You can do this from afar and it will make a huge difference. It is the energy of the ceremony that needs to be able to work. So I'm still cleansing our field with the Palo Santo. If you have water next to you, just take a drink and cleanse your insides. So just getting connected to your breath, connected to your heart. Purifying your field. Noticing where your energy is and dropping your awareness to your heart and slow your breath. Slowing your breath, creating that coherent field. And tuning into the magic of your heart. Imagining Mother Earth and how much we love her and how much she holds for us. Start radiating that light in your heart. Breathing into the heart and breathing out. And we call in the Pleiadians, the Assyrians, the Arcturians, and all the beings of light that are assisting us at this time. We call in our angels, our guides, our divine light beings, and the ascended masters. And we connect to the divine source energy, source of the divine inside our bodies. And we connect to the elders at Uluru, the indigenous tribes, the rainbow warriors. As Saturn and Jupiter conjunct, and we usher into the Age of Aquarius, we breathe. We connect to the rivers of light around the earth, the crystalline grid, the streams of the song around her. And breathing in your heart and breathing out, opening up your ascension column of light and amplifying your heart energy, amplifying your love, your soul song, your sacred sound, connecting to your higher self, your galactic self, your angelic self, your pure conscious awareness. Breathing into the heart and then taking your energy down your ascension column of light, out your root chakra, all the way down deep, 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 deep into Mother Earth, down through the soil, the rocks, the tributaries of water inside Earth, down, down, down to the crystalline core. That magnetic iron and crystalline core, plugging into her, sending all your love down into her with your intention. And breathing into her that love, radiating the most magnificent energy you can conjure, and breathing from that space inside Earth. And breathing out. We really connect to all our brothers and sisters across the world. Feel that amplification, that connection. And then breathing all the way back up, 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 up through the earth, through your ascension column of light, through your heart, and out the top of your head, all the way up to the sun. Our solar star. And connecting to our sun and breathing in from that beautiful space. And breathing out. And from this vantage point, radiating love around the earth, through the earth, to every single being on the planet. Animals, humans, plants, every single thing, radiating that radiant light. And going through the sun, higher and higher to the central sun, the light of the divine. And then moving all the way back through the sun, down through the crown of your head, into your heart, breathing into your heart. And in your heart, imagine a beautiful magic box full of Pleiadian crystals that are activating a new energy, a new world, that bifurcation of timelines, and we go to a new space that holds more love, more light, more peace, more grace, more ease, and abundance for all. And we envision that activation. This magic box opens and radiates this crystalline energy out, magnifying, amplifying through the grids around the planet, activating all the sacred sites from Mount Shasta to Uluru, to the pyramids, all around, seeing every single sacred site activate, and the sacred site inside your body activates. And the rainbow serpent becomes the rainbow bridge for sending down a beautiful rainbow energy from your heart, spiraling in rainbow energy down your ascension column of light, down through the earth, down into the central core of Mother Earth. So this fractal energy of light radiates into the center of the earth, this rainbow light. All the rainbow warriors activate. Star beings, and send love to the earth, radiating a higher frequency through her, noticing this rainbow light permeating every inch of her and surrounding her. And then coming back up through the earth, this rainbow light comes through your ascension column, through your heart, through your throat, out the top of your head. Beautiful bridge of rainbow light all the way to our sun, moving through the sun, and then higher and higher all the way to the central sun. So you are a rainbow bridge from heaven to earth, connecting, radiating, and from the higher realms, you look down at earth and you blast her with so much love, literally moving her to another timeline, a higher frequency, lifting her up in all her magnificent glory. See her, love her, thank her. And the heartbeat of the earth begins to pulsate to the most magnificent sound and song. She glows with an effervescent glow. And you come back down that rainbow bridge, down through the sun, down through your crown chakra, and back into your heart. And you bring your palms up and you blast light around the grid, around the earth. Then bring your hands, your palms together in front of your heart, bowing down to the earth and thanking her. Thanking all the beings that have been holding this energy for so long. envision beautiful trees, stunning waterfalls, clear blue oceans, stunning mountains, powerful rivers, and an iridescent rainbow-like quality all around her air. See that beauty, that love, that grace. Thank her. Bless her. Take an inhale and an exhale, and release your hands to your knees. And gently wiggle your fingers or your toes, and opening your eyes to an entirely new world and this most magical dimension.